Hello, if you were to draw a monster, what would it look like? Would it have 3 eyes? 5 heads? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw Marge from our Marge Monster story. To draw Marge, you will need some plain paper, a pencil, you might want a rubber and orange, blue, pink, yellow and black pens or pencils. We're going to draw simple shapes to get the outline of our Marge Monster. With a pencil, start with an oval shape for Marge's head. It doesn't need to be perfect. Now we're going to draw Marge's body shape. Don't worry, we'll add details soon. Then, from the head, we're going to draw a curved line following the curve of the body. This is for Marge's arm. It's going to come down to the middle of her coat, then I'm going to bring it in. Then go to the other side and draw Marge's other arm. Okay, I'm going to draw Marge's hands. I'm drawing her thumb, then the rest of her hand, and then on to the other side. Now we're going to draw the bottom of Marge's body. Marge has lovely fluffy legs. Okay, then we have to draw the welly boots because Marge loves playing in bubbling bogs and muddy puddles. There's one welly boot. And there's Marge's other welly boot. Back to Marge's head. Just below the top of her head, we're going to draw a slight curved line for the bottom of her knitted hat. Start on one side and go round to the other side. And then I'm going to do exactly the same, but just above the last line. Then I'm going to join these two lines. I'm going to draw a semicircle to finish off the shape of Marge's knitted hat. Finally, a lovely fluffy bobble to go on top. Okay, now Marge has 2 lovely pointy ears just below her hat, one on each side. Let's add the detail to bring Marge alive. I'm going to draw an outline of 2 circles for Marge's eyes. Marge has a lovely big smile and then 2 nostrils. Marge is a furry monster, so I'm going to start adding a fur texture to her head, hands and legs. Now let's add a zip and pockets to her coat. The zip is a line going down to the bottom of her coat, then add dashes for the zip fastening. Onto the pockets. Finally, let's add wiggly lines to her hat so it looks like it's been knitted. I'm going to add lines to the bottom of her knitted hat. There we go. Right, I'm going to start adding colour to Marge. Marge has lovely orange fur, so I have my orange pencil and I'm going to create a fur-like texture using a zigzag pattern. And I'm going to follow the curves of Marge's body. Marge's hat and wellies are blue. I've left a little section of Marge's welly boot without any colour, and this is to show the shine of her lovely blue wellies. Now onto her hat. When you've filled in the hat, go over the details with a darker blue or press harder with your pencil to bring out the detail of the knit. So I'm going to go over the wiggly lines and I'm pressing harder so you get the detail of the knit. There! I've just gone over the bottom of Marge's hat with a darker pencil. Now I'm going to use a bright yellow felt tip pen for Marge's lovely raincoat. Marge has smooth pink pixie ears. I'm going to go over Marge's eyes, nose and mouth so it stands out. And there we have it, your very own drawing of Marge Monster. Well done everyone. You could draw some of Marge's monster friends now. Have fun drawing. Bye bye.